Apfel Dr. Germany, my name is Ben. Good morning and welcome to the micro soldering show, because I love micro soldering. If you want a shirt like this, you can get it at our website. And today in the morning we just do the rescue job on an iPhone 6. It was mailed in after, I have to take a look on the form, after it just turned off, was getting hot. Another handy repair shop said they can't fix that. Okay, let's have a look if we can help, if we can save the important data or not. So here you see the phone. Okay, they changed the screen like I see. Let's see what's behind this the screen. Let's see what's behind this screen and how did they work on this phone. Okay, let's take it off. Okay, somebody already changed the battery. Somebody already changed the screen with backplate. And let's see if the screws are in the right way or not. Or what about that? So, this screw is not the right screw for here. This screw is okay. This screw is okay. Okay. And okay. What about that? It's okay too. So let's have a look what we have here. The battery is not glued in. Just can't understand why people work in that way on these phones. But we see it every day, so okay, we got no short. What about the boot? When I press the power button, for me it doesn't look like a boot. We are at about, oh, now something happens. Could be a boot. Let's see again. Do you? Oh no, Andy has to do. So no problem. We just check if we got a backlight problem. So I don't see anything at the screen. Let's wait. Can you please give me a test screen, Andy?
Yep.
iPhone 6.
I have one.
Oh, Andy has. It's okay. Andy has enough of all. That's great, thank you. Okay, and again, let's check. So we got no image, because, let's check again if the value is okay. The value looks like a boot, but we don't have image. Okay, then let's check under the microscope for long screw damage. What's that? Yeah, looks like a long screw damage on, and I think could be AP to LCM reset, because we have no image. Okay, let's take out the board and let's fix that. Normally I don't do any long screw damages. I didn't do this for a really long time, because all what flex cable and traces is Andy's work. and I just do iPhone X, whoops, and normally that's all what I do. But I will take a look. What do you do, Andy? Does it work? Maybe with another ocular.
Wäre es besser Hochformat oder Querformat?
16:9 Querformat.
Also so.
Ja. Why?
Das wäre schon möglich, wenn ich das realisiert auf einfache.
Okay, and what's the idea behind?
Dass man filmen kann. Und das ans Telefon. Hallo.
Okay, so just took out the board, and now let's just see microscope AP to LCM reset L check, because this looks, for me, looks bad. What about that here? What's that? Do you see that? That just doesn't look good. I will just take the iPhone 6, take my Fluke, and at first I want to do some readings. I want to take some readings. So I go to diet mode and check the values on the connector to just see where we are. And after that I just go through the screw hole, because it doesn't look like a hard long screw damage, just a little bit on the top layer scratched. So open the iPhone 6 and open the LCD connector, and let's see some resistance. So we first check the 1V8 LCM. And that looks bad. Almost open line, and this is, it could be that just this filter has failed. Okay? Because I saw it with the first look that something isn't right here. So what about that here? That's touch. And this is 1V8. Okay. So let's go again. I was on the wrong pin. Okay. I was wrong. This was just a cap for the 5V7. Okay. And this cap was failed. Okay, it's the third 5V7. Okay, let's check again without the cap. Just without the cap, and because our iPhone 6 cable has a failure, we need to press the power button. So I just hook up the screen. Get on the cable here. So, and we have image again. Great. 9 minutes. And I think 9 minutes was too long. I thought on the first point I just took the wrong pin to measure, but then I saw, oh, Ben, you just was wrong with the pin. A knocked off cap or a cracked cap. I think they tried to change the screen, and on screen changing, they just used a screwdriver or a metal tool, and they just cracked a cap on the 5V7. We don't need it for function. That's not a problem, because we have enough other caps for just stabilizing the voltage, and they knocked it and cracked it and sewed the layers inside connected to each other, and we just got a short. So we got a short on 5V7. I just didn't measure it because I measured the 1V8 LCM, and then I saw, okay, the cap is on the 5V7. I saw it, knocked it away, and so I just could boot the device again, and it's fully working. The customer has all the important data. I will replace the cap now, and after that I will mount the device and it goes straight back up to the customer. But you see, some things you can see with your eyes. What I saw with my eyes too, and I will show you. That was my first intention here. Do you see that? When you take a look in the screw hole, you see that the top layer is a little bit scratched. So a little bit more in the screw, and AP2LCM reset L normally fails, and then you really got a problem, because you have to take off the screw hole and to fix a long screw damage. That was really my first intention, but after I took a look on the board, I just saw that the cap here got a crack, and when they got a crack, they can't work in the right way. So we now just replace the cap. 2.2, 6.3. And then, I took a 0402. We need the 0201. 02. Here they are. Great. So at first we just need some flux. Is it the right plate which I'm heating? Yes, it is. It's just, I didn't turn on the hot air and the solder iron, nothing, because I had to do some other shit today in the morning here. So at first we take off the rest of the old cap. I got one. Just give me a minute. Okay.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, man, I only buy the best, you know.
And it's like, it's really handy. Like, I didn't care much before I had it, and now like I use it all the time, and it just makes life so much easier.
Yeah, I got one at home too, but I didn't found it like ever, because I have so much shit, and every time when I search something, I have to buy it new because I don't know where it is. So at a time in my life, I will find so many things, and then I got all of it 20 times or more. Yeah. I have no structure in my life. So I just want to get in the cap. So sit down here, baby. Okay. And I take the board in another way here, because that's much better to work on. So we have some more space in that way. Just get some more solder here. And now that's really nice. Just here a little bit too much. Take it. And you see it doesn't stick completely here. Okay. And now we are done. So, device can go straight back to the customer now. Just cool down the board. And after that, I will mount the device and the customer has all the important data. I already showed you that all is working fine. I just check one more time for the value on power supply. And that is looking really good. Yeah. Okay, you see some things you can solve in a really short time without having any problems on it. Okay, just use your eyes to see what's happening and what could be the fault. Okay, and then just use your head to organize yourself. Okay, so that is all. Boom, back to life again. Not a big thing, just a little 5V7 cap cracked and so short on 5V7. I hope you could learn something. Short video, 15 minutes. If you want to learn things like that, you can easily do that on the board level Repairs for Germany. If you are working at repair industry for smartphones and tablets, you can join our Facebook group, Smartphone Repair Group Germany. Please answer the questions to join the group. And I'm out. We see us with the next video. Boom! Back to life again. Here's Ben. And here you can see when I just hit the power button, it's so nice, just kept blinking. I will